Good morning, Bali lovers. How you doing, guys? It's beautiful morning. It's about 8 o'clock at morning, and I'm just this is the Hyatt. No, this is the Mercure. I'm still early morning. I'm still sleepy. Didn't have a coffee yet. Behind me is the Mercure and Genius Cafe. I will have a coffee later when I finish this vlog. And meanwhile, I'm heading now into Sanur area. And this is the brand new Promenade. Almost finished already here. Looks definitely much more brighter. Simply looks like this. It's not finished 100% yet, but it's gonna be soon. This is the breakfast restaurant in Sanur Hotel. Well, basically there is only one lane of the tables, because usually the tables was here where is the promenade, and some people having a breakfast inside the restaurant. Don't wanna show, record them too much. Whoa, doggo. I think this is the same doggo what I used to talk with him last time when I was here, but that was like a month ago. And Coco Bamboo closed at morning currently. Hotel situation, only this part of the swimming pool is open. We also used to have a swim there with Winnie. We vlogged there like a few months ago. Basically nothing has changed since then. And the other parts of the swimming pool in Prama Hotel over there still remains closed. Actually, there is not that many customers, not many guests, so still it's closed, yeah. And here is the still promenade under construction a little bit. So yeah, that's how it is, working hard. It's already very hot, by the way. Okay, I'm gonna show you a quick look of the Prama main wing. As you see, out of business. Pool is cleaning. The guy cleaning pool and everything over there, but it's just simply not operated. And a little bit still construction of the promenade here. The guy working hard and heading into direction of Sanur. Here a few local warungs. Well, they are closed obviously because of no customers. And here are some jet skis. Anyway, some local warungs still open here, so yeah. Also, I think the beach here in Sanur is actually more clean than in the rest of the parts of Bali. Also erosion, in Kuta happened, so I hope so they're gonna make it the new promenade here. They're gonna fix this one and they're gonna make something over there also. And also over here on the other side there is private villa. I'm not sure actually if it's for rent or somebody owned this as the private villa, Villa Cemara. However, they are, and that's actually pretty nice, small looking whip path and the access to the beach. And it's also very hot already, very hot. Cheers, guys. It's already like 8:30, exactly 8:30 at morning, and it's actually extremely hot already. I'm starting to be sweaty, and yeah, this is already the Sanur situation. So basically here was the seats restaurant, and it's actually out now, and there will be the new promenade. So also, no matter if the local warung or the restaurant, they need to give the space for the new promenade. Hello. This is the manga lady with her products, and here is the situation of the warungs where was, and they are demolished the rest of them. Here is the promenade. Well, still not sure what's gonna happen with the warungs where we're here, but currently construction here actually pretty slow. It's definitely slower than I was expecting. Whew, guys, vlogging at morning, like 8-9 at morning, is already pretty hard. It's hard because it's so hot, but it's also hard because hard with the sun, with the natural light. If you are going into the sun direction, there will be everything like a darkish, because it's so hard to catch the good colors. And I'm trying my best to get a best angle, but if it's something not really clear, I'm so sorry about that. I gonna vlog afternoon as usual. Anyway, I will finish this vlog. This is the Sanur, and the promenade here is also under construction. Everything is going slower than I was expecting. I was expecting it's gonna be ready like a week or during the Christmas, but it seems like definitely not yet. But yeah, this is like some local people could say Bali time. And here this is already Sanur, completely renovated, changed everything. So the new patio and the path here will be super wide actually. This is the old part of the restaurant, and actually there was the building restaurant over here next to the kitchen, and they changed it. Will be actually, I could say in my opinion, actually gonna look better than it was, because there was like a not open air, there was like a building with the plastic walls, shells. So in my opinion, good improvement for better, and the kitchen stayed the same, nothing has changed. The only biggest difference is as here this lounges sunbed's gonna be closer to the ocean, yeah, to the ocean, still sleepy. And this one, nothing has changed on the other side. By the way, Puri Shantrian and the Hyatt in Sanur, they are two hotels who are fully recommended by me. Never stay inside actually, and this is not paid endorsement, but I used to do the swimming pool passes in this hotel and in the Hyatt, and having coffee many times, multiple times, always great stuff and stuff like this. So highly recommended. However, I don't know how it's inside the room, so if somebody of you stay there, you can let me know. Okay, I'm gonna show you now the Mercure. I didn't do like in one walking lane like without this one, because it's like hard to say catch the scene with the light. So was the Prama, then Puri Santrian, and then I'm gonna back to the Mercure and I'm gonna have a coffee there. I mean, I really like this little path here. It's just really like tropical. Also I come back to Sanur because last time I record so much Kuta, Legend and Seminiak. So Sanur, this part first one, and in the next few days will be the north part where is the Sol on the beach and Sindhu and stuff like this. So don't you worry. So hot, guys. Also I realize is that I preview my own recorded videos, what I just make a few minutes ago, just today, just now, and I just realized as I sound like I'm drunk or I'm still sleepy or something, or I'm sad, but no, I'm fine, totally fine, all is good, guys. I just, I'm not kinda early person, and also I wake up with the very hard, terrible headache, too much stress nowadays, many personal things, you know me for the almost 2 years, many of you, so you know everything is good and you know many things about me, so don't you worry. And I'm gonna have a coffee and show you the Mercure, so probably I will feel much better after that for sure. Anyway, Mercure entrance, this is where I start today's vlog. By the way, here is the small street you can park your car or bike also, come by bike. You cannot drive this path by motorbike, by the way, keep it in mind. Here is some yoga studio belongs to Mercure, and the holy cow calls Angelique. I'm not sure if they still do the practice of yoga here, however the yoga studio looks pretty cool. And the holy cow Angelique, I will zoom it a little bit for you. Angelique, our sacred cow. So this is the gardens and the hotel of Mercure in Sanur, one of the oldest hotel here. Pretty nice, but old, I could say. And the promenade is starting actually just there. This is the start point of the promenade and the beach area, gardens area, and seems like the promenade gonna completely looks different. This is the old, this is the new. Beautiful gardens at the morning, actually very cool vibes. And I think hotel is also quite busier than long time ago, and also the bungalows usually looks like these rooms. And this is exactly the starting point, ground zero, where promenade is starting in Sanur, is starting exactly in this point. And here at the front, this is the Genius Cafe, belongs to the also Mercure Hotel. Many of you missing this place, so I will show you around. And also they're not gonna take a space, so the all sitting area here will remains pretty the same. Mercure, they have a beautiful Christmas tree, genius actually. And this is also end of the hotel, end of the promenade, and beginning of the Mertasari. And also interesting fact, I have totally no idea what's going on here, but seems like after few decades gonna be some sort of big construction here, because the fence is already taken. There's some guy working. There's huge land, as you can imagine. It's really extremely big, just between hotel and Mertasari, and they put a lot of sand on the beach. I'm not sure what they're gonna do actually, but just got my beautiful cappuccino in Genius, and well, beautiful. They have a Christmas tree. It's very hot. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. If you could help me to reach 300 likes on this video, I would really appreciate, so big thumb up. And as always, I will see you tomorrow. Cheers.